Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a cleaning showdown that's dirtier than my laundry basket after a week of binge watching. On my left, we have the Bissell SpinWave cordless pet hard floor spin mop, and on my right, the GorFanty steam mop, the 10-in-1 multi-purpose handheld steam cleaner. Let's see which one can tackle those stubborn stains and make your floor shine brighter than my future. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Bissell is priced at $154, while the GorFanty comes in a little lighter at $139. Reviewers note that while the Bissell SpinWave is effective for daily cleaning, the GorFanty steam mop is praised for its affordability and versatility, making it a great option for those looking to save a few bucks. If you're trying to save some cash for that vacation you'll never take because you're too busy cleaning, the GorFanty might be your best bet. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The Bissell boasts powerful spinning mop pads that do the tango on your floors while you sip your coffee, effectively cleaning grout lines and wood floors. Reviewers commend its performance in maintaining clean floors, especially in households with pets. On the other side, the GorFanty steam mop is like the superhero of cleaning with its high-temperature steam that eliminates 99.9% of stubborn stains. Customers rave about its versatility and cleaning efficiency across various surfaces, making it an essential tool for any cleaning arsenal. Let's talk freedom. The Bissell features an 18 volts lithium-ion battery that gives you 20 minutes of cordless runtime, which some users find limiting as it may not cover larger areas before needing a recharge. Meanwhile, the GorFanty has a 23-foot cord, which allows for continuous cleaning without needing to recharge. However, be cautious of tripping over cords while cleaning. Reviewers appreciate the GorFanty's ability to reach every corner without interruption, though some may find the cord cumbersome. The GorFanty comes with 10 accessories for all your cleaning needs, making it the Swiss Army knife of mops. Reviewers love the detachable handheld steamer for targeted cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Need to clean your windows, your furniture, or even your pet's favorite toys? GorFanty's got you covered. Bissell, on the other hand, is focused on hard floors and does a fantastic job at it. But if you're looking for a product that can do it all, GorFanty's your multitasking hero, minus the cape. Finally, let's talk ease of use. The Bissell has on-demand spray control, so you can decide how much cleaning solution to unleash on those dirty floors, making it user-friendly. Reviewers find it easy to operate, especially for those with physical limitations. The GorFanty heats up in just 20 seconds and has adjustable steam levels, allowing you to switch from light cleaning to deep scrubbing quickly. Customers appreciate its lightweight design and quick assembly, making cleaning a breeze. In summary, the Bissell SpinWave is praised for its effectiveness on hard floors and ease of use, but it faces criticism for its battery life. Meanwhile, the GorFanty steam mop shines in versatility and cleaning power, although some users encountered minor issues with assembly. Overall, both products have their strengths and cater to different cleaning needs. So what's the verdict? If you want cordless freedom and are primarily focused on hard floors, the Bissell SpinWave might be your best buddy. But if you're looking for versatility, power, and a chance to unleash your inner cleaning ninja, then the GorFanty steam mop is calling your name. Remember, whether you choose the Bissell or the GorFanty, always buy smart. And if you enjoyed this cleaning showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, especially the ones who still think mops are just for mopping. Until next time, keep it clean, folks.